Okay, it's one from the wild, wacky, weird world of Willy Do. That's the new show, actually, here. It's wild, wacky, weird. Will gave this to me this morning. He said, oh, here's a great one for a video. And sure enough, I gave it a little more examination and I was able to figure it out. Shikwang brand. Oh, there, now you know. Razors. That's not just a razor. It's got a very special aspect to it, which we are going to discover. It connects to an iPhone. Did I mention that? Okay, that's what's special about it. Look at the lightning port. It's an iPhone razor for the travel junkie aiming to pare down their travel kit as much as humanly possible. I think it's a bit of novelty, if I'm being honest. I like how it says on the side, original, authentic. Authentic what? Like, what are you... Authentic what? See if it can tackle any of these beard hairs. So there we go. That's the unit. Pretty robust. That's metal, I think. It's got a protective cap. Okay, not off to a great start. This goes here. Well, good Lord. Okay, there we go. Well, the cap is a bit tight on there. This guy right here. That's a bit of a tight cap, but probably over time, yeah, it's already loosening up. Okay. Thank you for choosing our razors. Phone must be in standby power. Plug in and make with mobile phone to open the camera self-timer function when a mirror. Follow these simple instructions. Okay, ready, Jack? The phone must be in standby power. Plug in and make with brackets mobile phone to open the camera self-timer function when a mirror and brackets open new brackets. When using a mobile phone does not affect any other functions work properly. Close brackets, period. Reversible when cleaning clock swung open network head. Imagine sending this in for a warranty replacement. You're not hearing back. How much is this, Will? $8! We haven't been sub $10 on this channel in a decade. So there's your comments. Everything's so expensive. $8! Could be garbage. Probably is. $8 though. Put it this way. Woo! I'm about to peel my face off, Jack. Is that part of it though? Like you sort of push it? I'm gonna try to get rid of a couple of these stray ones. I'm so nervous right now. Ah! Try some hand hair here. Ready, Jack? Every day. Imagine this was the caliber. You would go so crazy. One hair at a time. It hurts, man. It hurts. It's not a clean shave at all. It's painful. Did it pick up any hairs? I mean, it got like 7 or 8 in there. Look at that, Jack. Look how beautiful that is right there. You got like 7 or 8 in that session. What in the world? Look at this unit, okay? This is what's responsible for all the action, all right? You want that near your manscape? I don't think so. Look at that thing. Well, you've really outdone yourself this time, you know that? What can I say? Is it the worst product ever on Unbox Therapy? It's quite possible. Avoid this thing. You gotta admire do you have to admire? I don't. You know what the redeemable thing is? It says $8. So here's my angle. Because I'd love to find an angle, give a little respect if you have very fine facial hair. Jack, hear me out! Like 7 or 8 hairs on there. Hear me out, Jack! 12 hairs on your face and they're fine. and all you got is $8, and that bronze stuff and those Philips beauties on the rack, you just can't have them. You got a few dollars in your pocket and a few hairs on your face. And you happen upon this little guy! On the finer hair of the hand, it worked better. So look, and it ain't looking up to snuff, and everything in your it's a funny gift. That's what it is. It's a funny gift. If you don't think it's a funny gift, if you think it's practical, I want to hear from you. Please write a letter with a stamp on it. Send it to Nantucket.